In a world abundant with fruits, there's one more berry that has a rich history and a host of modern health benefits. Join me as we explore the fascinating journey of blackberries, from ancient times to their present-day prominence. Please watch my video to the end for some easy, delicious blackberry recipes. Our story begins in the heart of ancient civilizations, where humans discovered the succulent treasures of the wild. Blackberries, with their deep purple hue and unique flavor, were found growing in the wild landscapes. A treasure of summer's splendor, rare, blackberries ripe, beyond compare. Blackberries are native to Europe, Asia and North and South America. They have been consumed by humans since prehistoric times. Blackberry seeds were found in an archaeological site in England dating back to 2500 BC. Ancient Greeks and Romans cultivated blackberries for food and medicine. The tale of blackberries begins in ancient civilizations, where these sweet and tangy berries were prized for both their flavor and potential health benefits. From the fertile Nile Delta to the hills of Greece and the sprawling Roman Empire, blackberries were cherished by these early societies. As history unfolded, blackberries continued to thrive. During the Dark Ages, monks in European monasteries cultivated and nurtured blackberry bushes, sharing their knowledge of cultivation and propagation. Herbalists of the time recognized the medicinal properties of blackberries, using them to create tonics and elixirs for various ailments. Amidst the whispers of gentle breeze, they sway upon their thorny trees, juicy jewels of deepest hue, a symphony of flavors, rich and true. These wise healers believed that blackberries held the power to soothe digestive issues, boost immunity, and even promote healthy skin. By the 16th century, blackberries spread throughout Europe and became popular. They grew abundantly in the wild and were also farmed. When European settlers came to America, they brought blackberries with them. Native Americans adopted blackberries as a food source too. The Renaissance brought forth a renewed interest in herbalism and natural remedies. Blackberries were lauded for their versatility, finding their way into jams, preserves, and even wines. Medieval herb gardens, apothecaries. As time marched on, blackberries found their way into medieval gardens and apothecaries. With purple jewels that glisten and shine, the blackberry taste is divine. On summer's gift so ripe and good, blackberry treasure from the woods. Folklore attributed these berries with various medicinal properties, believing they could alleviate ailments and boost overall health. Blackberries are a treasure trove of antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and polyphenols, which combat harmful free radicals in the body. Studies suggest that compounds found in blackberries may contribute to managing chronic conditions like diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Heart health support. The fiber, potassium, and anthocyanins in blackberries can contribute to heart health by aiding in the reduction of blood pressure, supporting proper circulation, and improving overall cardiovascular function. Digestive wellness. High in dietary fiber, blackberries are excellent for promoting healthy digestion. Fiber aids in preventing constipation, supporting a balanced gut microbiome, and regulating bowel movements. Cognitive enhancement. Emerging research suggests that the antioxidants and phytochemicals in blackberries might play a role in preserving cognitive function and reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. These compounds have been linked to improved brain health, enhanced memory, and potentially even a lower risk of neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Blackberries made their way from the wild into culinary creations. Their vibrant color and tart sweetness inspired chefs to craft delectable dishes, from jams and pies to sauces that adorned feasts fit for kings and queens. Fast forward to the modern era, and blackberries have taken center stage as a superfood. Each bite, a burst of tangy delight. In every berry, summer takes flight, a symposium of taste and sun, a memory of days well spun. Their antioxidant content supports immune health, while vitamins like C and K promote skin vitality and bone health. The fiber in blackberries aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Blackberry shake recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of blackberries, 2 bananas peeled, 2 cups of whole milk or whole milk Greek yogurt unsweetened, 2 tablespoons of honey. Directions: put all ingredients into the blender, mix until smooth. Your blackberry shake is ready. Delicious and healthy. Today, as we prioritize sustainability, blackberry cultivation embraces eco-friendly practices. Responsible farming methods ensure that the benefits of these berries can be enjoyed by generations to come. From their humble origins in ancient times to their status as a nutritional powerhouse today, blackberries have come a long way. Their journey speaks of our enduring fascination with nature's gifts and our commitment to harnessing their potential for a healthier, happier future. So next time you savor the exquisite taste of a blackberry, remember the centuries of history and health benefits that you hold in the palm of your hand. When the sunlight fades into night, we'll enjoy blackberries in a moonlit bite. Blackberry banana parfait recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh blackberries, 2 fresh bananas peeled, 1/2 cup of granola, 2 cups of whole milk Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey. Directions: mash blackberries, bananas with Greek yogurt as shown. Layer the parfait. In serving cups, begin by adding Greek yogurt at the bottom. Add honey and blackberries on top. Your blackberry parfait is ready to enjoy. Delicious! So, let's savor each succulent gem, embrace the summer's vibrant hymn, blackberries in the golden sun's embrace, a timeless memory we shall trace. Our pails full, we head home once more with blackberry fresh, jam, desserts and more. Summer joy of sweet berry lush. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.